Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. San Juan Capistrano, local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing to relocate to a new city or state might take you more than 100 miles away. When this happens, it's known as a long-distance move. We can help you with this type of move, whether it's just one state over or across the country. Our team will do the loading, transporting, and unloading for you. We can also offer all of the following: packing, unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. With the right local California moving company, you'll get plenty of benefits. One of the main benefits is the time you'll save. Since we do all the work for you, it's easier for us to focus on other things. Plus, you won't have to do any of the heavy lifting to find a friend to help out. 3 Movers makes your local move so much easier. Our streamlined process will have you settle into your new location fast. A move that will take you several days to complete, we can get done in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our San Juan Capistrano moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.